Hey, welcome back to another video of eTakes. In this video, we are going to learn how to use Character AI without logging in. You can use Character AI without logging in, but with limited functionality. Here's how it works and what you can do. First of all, visit Character AI's website. You can explore and view public characters without logging in. Most characters allow guest user to interact with them. Simply select a character and start chatting. Some of the limitations without an account are your progress won't be saved, and you cannot create or customize your own character. You won't have access to advanced features such as adjusting character setting or accessing exclusive bots. Some characters might only be available to logged in users. So why create an account? Creating an account unlocks full functionality such as saving your chat, creating and customizing bot and viewing private or restricted characters. If you decide to use the platform regularly, sign up is highly recommended for the best experience. So that is how you can use Character AI without logging in. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.